I've created this piece of stacked text. Now I'm curious, how long is this actually going to take me to machine on my CNC machine? Now to do that, what you need to do is select Toolpaths and then come down to this icon, which is Toolpath Summary. So if you select that, it will then open up the Toolpath Summary information sheet, which you can save or you can print. Now it gives you a machining time here, which at the moment it's telling me that it's going to take 2 hours and 23 minutes and 50 seconds. Now that isn't correct. And it also tells you machining times for each of the different toolpaths that I have. Now the reason that this isn't correct is because I haven't calibrated the software to my CNC machine. Now to do that, to get a rough sort of working of this, if you enter a timescale factor of 1 and then select calculate, it will tell you that it's going to work a lot quicker. Basically what it's doing, it's working out the length that it's going to be cutting, and it's also using that with the feed rate, and it's finding the time for you. Now that's not to say that that's correct. So what you need to do, if you wanted to get it quite close, find out the rapid rate of your CNC machine. So let's say my rapid rate is really fast. One of the machines that I used to use, it had a rapid of 50 meters a minute. So I'll put that in there and then I can calculate it again. You can see it goes down. Now what I need to do is to do a job. So take no notice of this. Let's say this V-bit carving, this roughing, it's telling me that it's going to take 5 minutes and 14 seconds. So go ahead, machine that and time it on a stopwatch. You divide it by this figure and then that will give you your time scale factor. That's what you enter into there, and then from that moment on you should have quite accurate times. Now they're not going to be perfect, but at least they're going to give you some sort of rough estimate of how long things are going to take to machine. So that's how you configure your toolpath summary so you get more accurate estimates for your times.